Now, this is the list of all the celebrities that bought cars this week alone. Sana, it's been congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. And guess what? We need that. We need that. I mean, we've been going through it in January 2026. Hey, we've been going through it as a country. Salahlekelwa izingane, salahlekelwa ibantu esibathandayo, abanye babulawa kabuhlungu. Yo Jehova, sathi ngenelela uJehova wathi izingane zami ningawari ngizongenelela. Manje today we are speaking positive vibes. You know, we are gaining our strength once again. We are being motivated, we are being inspired to do our best yet again through everything that we went through as a country. Sana, your content creators, your bloggers, your influencers, we talking your actresses and actors. Yeah, they did the most. Your own musicians, they did the most. Right. So we saw Ukeishia Mate, who is a content creator. Yebo umuntu kabonga uthenge a very nice portable Hyundai Grand i10, suited as umuntu oqala ukudrive vele. I think that car it's nice. It's really nice. You understand that that's where she will be perfecting her driving skills and darling. Now, Ukeisha, I just want to say congratulations, Nana. You have done it. Sana, you have done it. Right, now moving along, guys. We saw the one and only Tsonso Zandile buying ibhazabaza ye-BMW kuthiwa eyaka 1 million. Hey, yinhle sana, yinhle. We know uZandile ukuthi naye she's an influencer. Yeah, influencer hashtag or rather forward slash content creator. Not so long ago, she got married and now she bought a very nice, yummy BMW. Son. Ah, I know. Congratulations, Tsonso Zandile, my baby. Moving along, we've got Ushandesh. Ushandesh is olowavele wasithi ba. Wasithi ba. Sithi si-congratulate uZandile naye wathi hayibo phela nami ngikhona kuleso scheme saka BMW eyebhazabaza. Ngithi uShandesh naye uthengile sana. We saw Shandesh you know what, crying. And funny enough, you know what, they are crying, man. It's as if, you know what, they've been through it and finally for them to come this far, it really means a lot to them. You can tell that, yeah, no, inyembezi zabo ziphuma kude, zisuka kude. Ditswa kwa gale mo ileng gore baby ba nagana gore hey wa tsaba keng ne ke sa nagana gore le nna nka fitlha mo ke le mo teng, but here we are. Yeah, ne? And then of course there was Uzile Weezy. Uzile Nkosi yami, how nayo uthengile, very nice, very smooth, very you know what, very yummy VW sana. Very nice. And we even saw him making you know ama-jokes nyana alala, you know, phambi kwemoto yakhe, as if hey akafuni lutho ngayo. Hey, it was nice to finally see Uzile after idrama engaka yase-Russia. You understand that ukuthi at least he was able to bounce back, and I want to believe that he has learned his lessons. Moving along, we have Uzi from Big Brother Mzansi season 4. Yes, Uzi Nkosi yami. I think she was the first person, I should have started with her. She was the first person to buy an Audi A1 Sports bag, right? Very nice. And Simbonile Lapana, I think that was the mother, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my goodness, it was a beautiful moment to watch. You understand that Imagine just getting successful and you've got all this moral support. You know, you've got someone that you love, your mother, your father, or even your siblings being there, you know, to watch you grow and become a better version of yourself. Sana, like I said, we really needed all these good news. Now, this is us channeling February 2026. We are saying goodbye to January. You have done everything to us, Jonga. Manje, we just want to take a deep breath and make sure ukuthi siyolwa futhi. Sizoyilwisa le mpilo ne, even in the midst of everything that we have been going through. Sana, sana, sana. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if it is your first time of a course. And don't forget to go into the comment section and say your congratulatory messages to our very own celebrities. Sana, ngentanda sana, ngentanda sana,